Salute.
Let's go.
This is the third approach route offensive against ADF. And from the assurances of the two generals, it will be known that this road is going to be constructed and fettered by these ADF terrorists.
We are going to start this next week from Kasindi, and after 1-2 weeks we will start from Beni also. Then another week we start from Bunagan also, like that. So in this month we start the works for the road works. We are going to do a quality works, which we did other roads like Ishaka, Kagamba and other roads. There are many roads which we did, which is quality.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.